Good evening.
Yes. Good evening, students. So here we can start. And in the last class, we discussed about the different types of feet of birds. As according to the food habit and the place where they live, the birds have different types of feet. Isn't it? Why do the birds have different types of feet that we discussed? Because due to the difference in the food. Yes, Yasina, tell me why the birds have
The
different types.
birds have different feet because due to their food habits
Yeah,
and
according to their food habit and also according to the
hobbies.
place where they live, according to the place where they live. Okay, so what are the uses of this feed to these birds? How they are using this? Yes, who can tell me what are the uses?
For protecting, making
Protecting. Yes. Yes. For climbing trees, for protecting themselves.
Swimming.
Oh, yeah, for swimming. Yes, for climbing trees, for swimming, for protecting themselves. Yeah, and not only that,
For
for
holding
holding their food. Yeah, very good. Yes. So these are the uses of the feed for these birds. And one by one we can see it. Okay, now one by one we can go through it. Are you ready? So be ready with your rough book and the important things you can note it down. Okay, Ishan,
Ma'am, it's compulsory to write.
yeah, it is compulsory to write the points. Okay, yes. So children, this one, first type of feet, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Here in this picture, you can see 3 toes of these birds are facing forward direction. And one, you can see it at the back. Here also, can you see this type of feet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So in this picture,
Hen also it has.
yes. In this picture, yes, children, in this picture, you can see that bird is sitting on the branch. So how it is sitting there? What makes it able to sit it on the branches and on the wires? This type of feet. As 3 toes, you can see 3 toes are facing forward, 1 toe at the back. So use like this, it can sit on the wires. See, can you 3, then 1 at the back. So just think it is the branch. It can hold like this, isn't it? So it will be very safe.
Woodpecker have.
Yeah,
Woodpecker
yes. No, it is not like woodpecker. Okay, woodpecker is having another type that I will show you. This sparrow, robin, bulbul, myna. Sparrow, robin, bulbul, and myna. These all birds have like this type of feet. Sorry, bulbul. You want to see? You want to see bulbul, robin? These are students.
Ma'am, have you seen the notes?
See, wait.
Ma'am, I did not see bull.
Yeah. See, some are talking. Wait, children. What you want saying?
Ma'am, did you send the notes? Because
I sent the notes of the first page of the workbook. Okay. After that, I think we did the match the following, the using the beaks of the birds, beaks
No.
of the.
Yes.
Yeah, no, okay, let it be. Today I will send it. That you can do it. It is very easy. Okay, not now. Today after the class, I will send the complete note. Okay, because beaks and say Aradhya, listen, beaks and feet, that in that topic, not so many questions, very few questions are there. So after completing that topic only I can send the notes. Okay, not that much notes are there. So today after completing this chapter, I will send it. So here you can see sparrow, robin, bulbul, myna. These all birds have like this type of feet. Okay, Aradhya.
Ma'am, can you show Bulbul?
Yes, okay, wait.
Ma'am, Robin, I didn't see Robin.
Okay, let me see. Let me try it. Okay, let me try it. If it is possible, I will show you. It is Robin. Okay, Robin. Wait. Okay. Yes. Can you see this, children? Robin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's very small. And see how it is sitting on the branches, wires, and all. How it is. How you can see how these feet, the claws, how it is using it. Okay. Is it enough? Can we see the another bird? Bulbul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Bulbul.
ma'am.
Okay.
Show
So
the picture.
bulbul. Yes, bulbul. See, you can see a cap-like top at the head, on its head. Can you see this? See, for the here also you can see the feet. How it is. See, baby bulbul. How they are opening their beaks.
Ma'am,
Isn't it?
10 to 1 is 10 to 1. I think it is
Okay.
different.
I see this bird.
Ah, so Indian bird bulbul. Let me show the Indian bird. Okay. So how it is holding the cherry in its beak. So these all be learned, and how they are using their claws for sitting. So I think it is enough now. Okay, so like this, can you see this examples? Sparrow, robin, bulbul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adish.
No, ma'am.
Adish.
No, ma'am. It is showing.
Ma'am, can you show my
Wait. Yes.
Can you show
Okay.
Maina?
Yes, I will show it. First, write down the spelling. Adish, read the spelling of sparrow.
SPAROW.
Okay. Then Abdiel, read the spelling of robin. Abdiel, read the spelling of robin.
ROBIN.
Okay. Muhammad Ishan, read the spelling of bulbul.
BULBUL.
Okay. So next one, Kasina, read the spelling of Maina.
Okay, ma'am. MYNAH. Maina.
Okay. So these are the spellings. So let me check whether I can show you Maina. Okay.
Ma'am, I already see Maina.
Okay. Let me show the others also. Okay. Yes, this is called Maina. This is the one
I
which
have
it is.
seen many
Yes,
times.
it is common. This bird is very common, right? See the children feet. It's a beak. You can see the feet and beak of this Maina.
Ma'am,
Very
can I
small.
tell
Ma'am, can you zoom in? Can you zoom in?
Can you?
Can you feed it? It can talk.
Yes.
Can you zoom it? Ma'am, can you
Zoom.
zoom?
Okay, can you say so many pictures in the so many direction it is there, no? Yes. Yes,
Ma'am.
children. So now I think children, wait.
Ma'am,
Now,
some people say if we see 2 Mainas, we will get good luck for the day.
oh, okay, it's a new information for me. Okay, so hope whenever we are going out or whenever we are doing anything, let 2 minus to meet. Okay, so anyhow, let it be. These all are some beliefs, right? So we learned about the feet of this type of birds. So next one, that is the long and thin feet. Long, thin feet. So in this picture also you can see how long is their feet. This heron and crane. Heron and cranes have like this type of feet. this type of feed help them, the birds, to stay in water, to walk and swim in ponds and catch small water animals. Their food is water animals and water plants. So if they have the feet like that of a bulbul or myna, will they be able to take the food from water? No. So that because of their food habit, they have slender, long, thin feet. Isn't it? Can you see this? Long feet. So using these birds, using this type of feet, they can stay in water for a long time. And also if they want to walk, if they want to swim in there, so while they are catching their food, they need to walk or to swim. So like this type of feed help them to do it all. Okay, example, heron and crane. So by Kasina, please mute your audio. Yes, Meha Mahesh, tell me example for birds which have long and thin feet.
Heron and crane.
Okay, heron and crane. So I hope the children, it is very easy. So shall we move to the next point?
Ma'am, can you show the picture of heron?
Yes, I wish. Yes, yes. Okay, one picture it is there. If you want more, let me check it. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show the picture of crane?
Wait. See, can you see this heron?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it's a slender, this one. Okay. So crane. Next one.
Crane I have seen.
Yes. We can crane bird.
So common.
Yes. Wait. Okay. See, white colored, isn't it? See how long is it?
I have
Yeah.
never seen this.
Okay.
Screen.
Yes.
Today
So-
also I see.
Yes. Sometimes we can see it, right? So sometimes in our, so
Yes,
here you
I
can
have
see,
seen.
yes, the same pictures that I used it, but as you are requesting, I am showing it. Okay.
Screen.
Yeah, next one is the feet of the woodpecker parrot. Somebody told before this. So at that time I told I will show you the feet of woodpecker. See, woodpecker and parrot, they are used to climb the trees, isn't it? So the feet which it is suitable for them, which it helps them to climb the trees. That is 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. Can you see it? 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. Here also you can see it. This is back side. This is forwarding, directed towards the forward direction. So this type of feet help them to climb the trees. Example, woodpecker and parrot. Okay, woodpecker and parrot. Shaba Maria. So
Yes,
woodpecker have which type of feet, Shaba?
Ma'am,
Shaba, woodpecker have which type of feet? Which type of feet, Shaba? Aiden.
two
Yes.
toes in front and
Yeah.
2 toes at
Yeah, 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back. So, Saint Xavier, what is the help done by this type of feet to these birds? Why they are used?
To climb the trees.
Yeah, to climb the trees. Okay, simple answer. Parrots also are climbing the trees, isn't it? So for them also, this one helps it. Okay. So I think we can move to the next one. These are very simple one, but what you can do, you just check the birds which come across to you. Okay, in your compounds, in your garden, you can see a lot of birds. So try to observe these all birds. I hope you will do it. Next one, that is powerful curved talons. Powerful curved talons. Talons means the sharp claws. Okay, feet with sharp claws. That is called talons. In this examples, you can see claws. You can see here claws. Can you see the claws? Sharp pointed nails
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
birds. That is called claws.
Ma'am, these examples we have learned before.
Yes, eagle, vulture,
point.
that is example for claws. Birds having example for claws, isn't it?
To peel
So,
off this.
yeah. Yes, okay. So in the same way, the feet, strong feet with claws, that is called talons, T-A-L-O-N-S. New word it is, isn't it? So talons means powerful feet with claws, sharp claws, that is called talons. So eagle, vulture, hawk, these all have powerful curved talons. So they are eating the flesh of other animal, meat of other animal. So this type of feet help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Catch and hold their food firmly. In sometimes you have seen chickens or the water animal fish. They are taking it from water. Have you seen it? They will fly near to the water and using their feet, they will catch it. In the same way, the chicks, they may take the chicks, they will fly near to it and will, using their feet, they may hold it. They may catch it and they may hold it in their feet. Clear? So using their feet, you can see, Adish, you can see sharp nails on their feet. Isn't it? So that using the sharp nails, they can tear the skin of the animal. They can take the flesh of it. They can eat it. Using their beak, using their feet, they are using for eating.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kasina.
Ma'am, I want to tell something.
Yes, what you want to tell?
Ma'am, in my house, there is one nest that I made for the birds. Sometimes they will come inside and lay eggs and go. There will
Okay,
be
you made it. You made it or the birds made it?
no, with little sticks.
Little sticks. Okay, so good. Okay, your action is very good. So here you can see fourth variety of birds' feet, that is powerful curved talons. Help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Example for like this type of feet, that is eagle, vulture and hawks. And next one, that is the common type, ducks, penguins. See, you can see in this picture, toes are there, 1, 2, 3.
But it's
Is it?
flat.
Yeah, but it is connected, but it is through a skin, thin skin. These toes are, here in this picture, you can see these toes are separate, isn't it? There is no connection between the toes. But here in this bird's picture, bird's feet, you can see the toes, but which these toes are connected using the skin. That is called webbed feet. That type of feet are called webbed feet. So Anandita, what is the spelling of webbed feet?
WEBBEDFEET.
Okay, fifth variety of it, it is called webbed feet. WEBBED, webbed feet. So ducks and penguins have like this type of feet commonly. Okay, ducks and penguin. The birds which are living in water or must spend most of their time in water. So that helps them to paddle through the water. Okay, that help it to move through the water. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Paddle through the
Yes, ma'am.
water.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Aradhya, Aradhya, penguins have which type of feet?
Ma'am, webbed feet.
Okay. And wait, Dev John, ducks
Yes,
have which type of feet?
Web feet.
Okay. Ardra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Eagles have which type of feet? Ardra.
Yes, ma'am.
Eagles have which type of feet?
Powerful. Curved.
Powerful curved talons. Okay. Meha Mahesh, hawks have which type of feet? Meha.
Curved talons.
Okay, talons. Okay. So these are the some of the types. And the last one, this is emu. Can you see the emu's feet here? Three
Yes,
toes forwarding in forward direction, directed to forward direction, isn't it?
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have that. Ma'am, I know what ostrich.
Yes, and
look
here
like.
you can see two toes are directing forward direction. That is the feet of the ostrich. Okay, ostrich.
Ma'am, I have went to the ostrich.
Yes,
Ostrich
Yes,
cage
ostrich.
and I was very scared.
yes. Okay, so wait. Some are talking. Who needs Adesh? What you want, Adesh?
Ma'am, that picture is ostrich, but it is written example emu.
So Adesh, say it loudly. I can't hear you properly. Say it loudly.
Can I tell what is he telling?
Okay, Abdiel, tell me.
He is telling the picture you have shown is the picture of
Emu.
not emu,
Ah.
eagle,
No.
ostrich, ostrich.
No. Ostrich, that is leg only. Second picture. Okay. So wait, I will wait. Emu is a type of bird. Can you see the first picture? Can you see the first picture, children?
He is
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
Yes, I understood. Wait. First picture, it shows the emu. So here you can see three toes directing in forward direction. Understood? And in the second picture, you can see only the feet of a bird. And on that feet, how many toes are there? Two. So
toes.
that feet is of ostrich feet. Okay,
ma'am.
ostrich feet. So this type of feet helps them to run fast. They are running fast, isn't it? So
Yes,
this type of see, if these birds have like this type of feet, do you think can they run fast? No, it will be very difficult for them. So that is why, but these feet are very strong, like our fingers on our leg. So that helps us to walk forward direction in the same way for these emus and for this ostrich. In order to run fast, these forward directed toes are helping them. Clear? Forward directed, forward turned feet
Ma'am,
are.
excuse me, I have
Yes.
a doubt.
Yes, Abdiel.
In first picture there is 3 legs.
Yes.
Yes, in second picture there is only 2.
Not two leg, two toes, two toes. That is why Abdiel, listen here. Listen it properly. First picture is of the picture of emu. Can you see first one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So there, how many toes are there?
3.
Okay. Second picture, you can't see any bird there, but you can see the feet of a bird. 1 feet, isn't it? Yes.
Yes.
How many toes are there?
2.
Okay. So 2 toes are there. Whose feet is this one? Ostrich. Okay, ostrich. Understood? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. So likewise, according to the food habit, according to the according to their living style or where they are living, these birds have different types of feed. And one more thing, see, these birds are making many different types of sounds, isn't it, Nobin? Different types of sounds they are producing. Most commonly, you might have heard the sound of the crow. It is very familiar, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes. And rooster sound, that is also, yeah, hen, this also. So why they are making sound?
Duck.
Why the duck? How they are? Why they are making sound?
They are talking.
Asking for help or food?
Sorry, Adish.
Asking for help.
Asking for help.
Okay, so as we are
Talking.
talking, as we can talk, are they able to talk? No. So, in order to communicate, they are producing sound. Okay, in order to communicate with each other, they produce a sound. So, the young birds may make crying sound for getting food, or for calling their parents. Some birds may make musical sounds, isn't it? So attract the other birds. Some birds may make some warning warning sound. Okay, so if they see any enemies or if anything, they will make some warning sound so that the others birds can escape from it. So accordingly, in order to communicate with each other, they may produce different types of sound. And another thing, the children, these birds, some of the birds like dodo, passenger pigeon, these are not present nowadays. They almost vanished from the earth. And red-headed vulture, pigeons, like these birds are going to be vanished because of the human.
2050.
Yeah, because of the humans' activities like hunting, pollutions. This all makes these birds to get it vanished. So you should not do any activity which may bring harm to the birds or any other animals. Before that, in Siberia, during the winter season, that winter season is very severe season. At that time, the birds won't get the food. So, yes, so what they will do, Siberian cranes will move to India. Okay, they will fly long distance and they will come here to get the favorable condition, climate, and to get food. But nowadays, the number of Siberian crane visiting in India, it is getting reduced because of the human activities and pollutions.
Ma'am, thus there is the bird, the great Indian bustard. No.
Yes, bustard. Yes, likewise also it is there. Okay, different
It is
different
there in,
variety.
Thar Desert, Rajasthan.
Yes. So if you are interested, you can search it, you can present it. Okay. Okay. So